Tired of losing customers in the dark after they place an order on your Woocomerce store? In this video, we'll show you how to connect Woocomerce with Aisensy to send real-time WhatsApp notifications, keeping your customers happy and informed every step of the way. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Aisensy to find the Aisensy Woocomerce connector plugin. Locate the correct plugin and click the Install Now button. Once installed, click the Activate button to activate the plugin. Next, navigate to your Woocomerce settings. You should now see a new tab labeled Aisensy. Click on it. Here, you'll need to enter your Aisensy API key and your registered WhatsApp business phone number. You can find your API key in your Aisensy account dashboard. In Aisensy, you can customize the templates for various order events such as new order, processing, completed, and canceled. And that's it. Now, your customers will receive instant WhatsApp notifications about their order status, shipping updates, and more. This helps boost customer satisfaction and reduce support inquiries, leading to increased brand loyalty. Try it out today.